This is question 15 from exercise 2.14 in Project Maths 3A. We've defined the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are as follows: 1, 1, 1, 2, 9, 3, and 6, 1. In other words, these 4 points are the corners of a four-sided shape, and we have to get the area of that shape. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to divide the shape corner to corner into 2 triangles, and we're going to get the area of those 2 triangles and add them together. The reason for that is because we have the formula for the area of a triangle when one of the points is 0, 0, and that's shown up there in blue. It's 1/2 times the absolute value of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to map one of our points to the origin. We're going to move it to the point 0, 0. So we're going to do that with the point 1, 1. So that's going to go to the point 0, 0. And the move we made to get there is we took 1 off the x value and 1 off the y value. And if we make the exact same move with each of the other 3 points as well, we will have not changed the shape of the quadrilateral, but we just moved all the corners. So 1, 2 goes to the point 0, 1. 9, 3 goes to the point 8, 2. And 6, 1 goes to the point 5, 0, like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take them in groups of 3, and we're going to get the area. So we'll start off by taking 0, 0, 0, 1, and 8, 2, like that. So since 0, 0 is the origin, that means that the other 2 are going to be point 1, x1, y1, and point 2, x2, y2. So we put those values into our formula. It's going to be 1/2 times the absolute value of x1, y2, which is 0 times 2, minus x2, y1, which is going to be 8 times 1. So that's going to be 1/2 times the absolute value of, and 0 times 2 is 0, and minus 8 times 1 is just minus 8, which means it's going to be equal to 1/2 times 8, because the absolute value means we don't take the negative version of it. So the first area we get is just going to be 4, like that. For our second area, we're going to take the point 0, 0, because we always need the origin point for this to work. We're going to take the point 8, 2, and we're going to take the point 5, 0 this time. Which means 8, 2 is our point 1, so that's x1, y1, and 5, 0 is our point 2, so we have x2, y2. And again we go to our formula, so it's 1/2 times the absolute value of x1 times y2, which is going to be 8 times 0, minus x2 times y1, so minus 5 times 2, like that. Which means we're going to get 1/2 times the absolute value of 8 times 0 is 0, and minus 5 times 2 is minus 10. But we don't take the minus with it because of the absolute value, so it's just going to be 1/2 times 10, which is equal to 5. So the 2 areas we have got an area of 4 and 5, which means our overall area is just going to be equal to 4 plus 5. So it's just going to be equal to 9 square units. And that is that.